What is plagiarism? Plagiarism is an act or instance of using or closely imitating the language and thoughts of another author without authorization and the representation of that author's work as one's own, as by not crediting the original author. What is royalty-free music? Also known as buy-up music or lifetime synchronization music, royalty-free music means music that has a single or one-time licensing fee. Once its fee has been paid, the licensor is granted the ability to synchronize that music with their audio or video production an unlimited number of times without additional synchronization fees. Royalty-free image/photograph. Definition: a ready-made image that does not require one to seek permission or pay a fee. It is possible to avoid violating the Digital Millennium Copyright Act by properly citing your music or photograph. Our research question is, does the type of M&M bag, peanut or regular, affect the variability of colors found within? After running our experiment, we came to the conclusion that the explanatory variable, or the flavor of the bag, and the response variable, or the color of the M&Ms found within, are not related. Now, time to restate our question for a formal introduction. The results of our experiment are important in determining whether or not the variability of colors is random, or if there's a tendency for any color to be more numerous in either type of bag. We began our experiment with three 3.14 ounce bags of regular M&Ms and three 3.27 ounce bags of peanut M&Ms. We arranged the contents of the bags out individually at first, then we proceeded to separate each bag by the M&M colors featured within. Finally, we assembled all M&Ms together by color with respect to their flavor, regular or peanut. For our experiment, the null hypothesis was that the M&M flavor does not affect the variability of colors found within, and the alternative hypothesis is that it does. We performed our experiment under the assumption that the contents of the bags had not been tampered with. Given more resources, we would have 1. Ran the test using more bags of M&Ms, and 2. Oversaw the creation and bagging of each M&M. Shown now are the percentages of each color for each bag, followed by the totals for both the regular and peanut M&Ms. These totals are shown again in the top left corner of this page. The expected frequencies of the peanut M&Ms are shown to the right relative to the frequency distribution of the regular M&Ms. Using the chi-square formula, we were able to find the chi-square statistics with 5 degrees of freedom. In conclusion, as a result of our experiment, we chose to reject the null, meaning that we believe the color of the bag and the color of the M&Ms are not related. Since we chose to reject the null, a type 1 error would be possible if we were mistaken. The take-home message of our project is that the type of bag does not affect the variability of the colors of M&Ms found inside. This piece of work is completely original except where cited and referenced.